Hi everyone, this is Chef Rohan, and today we're gonna make a very easy to do recipe of beef jerky. So to do that, I will use my Serie 7 vertical pellet smoker from Louisiana Grills. And what we will need for this recipe, it's really easy. We will need 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of chili flakes, a half cup of brown sugar, a whole cup of soy sauce, a half cup of Worcestershire sauce, 4 garlic cloves, and 2 tablespoons of cracked black pepper. I think that's it. Yes, it is. So for the meat, you need a really lean piece of beef. So the leaner is the best. My advice is that you put the meat in the freezer for maybe 30 minutes to 1 hour, so the meat will be easier to cut to 1/8 of an inch slices. Okay? So the first step is easy. We have to mix everything. We need to peel and to mince the garlic cloves. But that's it. That's the only one operation. So and now we will mix. So I have sliced the meat to 1/8 of an inch thick, and now I will just put the meat in the freezer bag with the marinade. Okay. Alors, je verse une. Now, after 17 hours of marinade in the fridge, I will just put the slice on my grates and smoke them for maybe 4 hours in the pellet smoker. The temperature will be around 70-75 Celsius degrees. Okay. So this is the beef jerky after 4 hours in the smoker. So as you can see, the meat is still flexible. This is a real beef jerky. Great! So I hope you appreciate this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.